Prior to generating patient statements the first time, you will do some initial setup. Enroll on sticomputer.com for electronic patient statements. Select Client Tools, Enrollment/Deactivation. Scroll down and select Provider Complete Electronic Patient Statements. Select Provider or Billing Service. On the right-hand side of the screen, select Electronic Patient Statements. Fill in your practice information and click Submit. A support representative will contact you when the enrollment is complete. In Practice Manager, in Add-ins, Patient Billing, Electronic Statement Client Setup, in the Client ID field, type your STI client ID and click Save. This allows your statement batch to be tracked and a confirmation email sent to you. In Add-ins, Patient Billing, Electronic Statement Practice Setup, select the practice you are setting up for electronic patient statements and click Change. On the top, you have the option to select an alternate payment or remit to address. Simply click in the checkbox and type your information. In the middle section of the screen, you have the option for an alternate practice address or return address. On the top right side of the screen, you have the option to select the credit cards that your office accepts. And in optional fields, you can select additional fields to appear on your electronic patient statement. In the bottom, you have the option to add a special message. This message will appear on all electronic patient statements. You may want a holiday greeting or a message with your phone number so a patient is directed to call your office to pay by credit card. Click Save when you are finished. In Administration, Preferences, System level preferences for one practice, or if you have multiple practices, practice level preferences. Patient billing control. Use automatic cycling is recommended. This allows you to send smaller batches more frequently, resulting in a steady cash flow and a more manageable amount of patient calls. The recommended cycle days is 28 days. This allows you to bill weekly or biweekly batches. However, each patient will only receive a statement when they reach the 28-day cycle. The minimum balance field allows you to enter the minimum dollar amount that a patient must owe before the system will generate a patient statement for that balance. The other controls area is optional. If you would like to turn on interest or billing fees, please contact STI Support to review this area. Paper statement preferences, statement heading left and right, allows you to customize the top portion of your statement with the name, address, and phone number of the practice. The special message works the same here as was previously discussed. At the bottom, you have the option to display this practice name and address on the bottom of the statement. You can complete that information here and save. The patient statement format allows you to customize which fields appear or do not appear on your patient statement. It is recommended you contact STI support to review this prior to making changes. Dunning notices automatically print on a patient statement and increment to the next message each time a patient statement is generated. This area allows you to turn Dunning notices on or off. Dunning group, if you've created one, allows you to change the Dunning group of messages you are using. Retain current Dunning. If you select yes, the message will not increment to the next message, but will keep the current message. In add-ins, patient billing, Dunning notice, the system comes with a group of Dunning messages. You can edit these by clicking Edit, click in the message you would like to edit, and type your changes. Click Add to List and save all. If you would like to create your own list of Dunning messages, click New, type a short code to name your group Dunning messages, type a description. Type each of your messages as you would like them to appear on the statements. Click Add to List and save all. For additional questions, contact STI support at 1-800-487-9135 or email swsupport@sticomputer.com.